teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Gurushi Rajan Raire. My school name is Matoshi English Medium School Tigri. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating 77 Republic Day. Republic Day is National Festival of India. We celebrated this day with great joy and happiness. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Supreme law of India. Our constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We should always respect our constitution. Makes us realize the importance of democracy. Republic Day teaches us to live in peace, love and unity. Love and unity. Love and unity. Love and unity. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country. I love my country very much. I have to say that I love Republic Day. That I love Republic Day. I have to say that my country shines